What's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a pretty quick video here today. I didn't want to go too much into it, but I just wanted to go over the trade that I made today, yesterday, how we're feeling, and pretty much where we're at on the account. As you guys can see, we did have almost an $1,100 day today. Yeah, so that was something. The account's sitting at 52,311. So we're about a little less than $700 out from passing. Now, I am not necessarily happy with today, and I'm going to tell you guys why. But I just want to say I kind of feel like I got a community here now, guys, and I just want to be upfront and honest with you guys and myself. And even when I don't want to make a video like this, I feel like I got to. And I feel like that's just the best way to grow, knowing when I'm wrong and stuff like that. So, with that being said, guys, first off, I just want to talk about yesterday's trade really quick. So yesterday, I actually started off the day green, and I was very happy with how I started the day off. I locked out the first 30 minutes, and I was super. I came into the market feeling so good. 10:05, I saw a trade setup happening. Couldn't even trade up until that time. I think we had news. I believe it was consumer confidence news. And so I was like, all right, let me wait till the news happens, all that. I think that was this day. I could be wrong. But yeah, so then saw a setup happen around a little after 10, and it was setting up, and I just took it. I was up over $300 on that. I actually was up, I think, $420. Gave back a little bit of profit. But then I wish I would have recorded the trades later on, because I ended up a little bit later giving back $80. This was about, 6 minutes later. I took another scalp. I was like, all right, well, let me just try to, I was upset that I gave back a little bit of money on the day, that I was up 420, and then I got greedy and then closed out at 300. I think I had a trailing stop loss, or trailing take profit. Wasn't too happy with 220 on the day, even though I should have, because the previous day was a red day, and I kind of needed to get that green day back to get some confidence back after these losses. Well, I ended up giving it all back. I went negative, and I said, wow, what the heck, guys? Like, I was up, at one point $300, gave it all back, and that was when I set a little bit of a mindset where I was like, wow, all right, well, let's take another trade. Kept taking stabs. I would not say that they were horrible trades, but I shouldn't even have been taking them. At this point, I was onto my, let's see, like 1, 2, 3, like fifth, sixth trade. And I started to overtrade. I started to kind of lose the vision of actually trying to get a proper trade set up, and it was just focusing on trying to revenge trade this back. Ended up having a little bit of a wide stop. I know it says, I think, 400 on the day. My stop loss was 375, but it went over that a little bit because just my stop loss where it was more than it could have closed out. So that hit max loss limit. Today is a little bit more not as good. Yesterday it sucked. I should have been done trading. Today I actually broke some rules, and I want to go over that. To start off, I didn't follow my plan of locking out the first 30 minutes. So I'll show you guys. And I'm not happy with it. I'm not proud, but I want to show you guys, and I want to be honest. So, yeah. Going into this, I actually started scalping pre-market. I started scalping pre-market, and I don't even know why. Like so my morning, in the morning I was long biased for MNQ. Actually, I'll drag this over really quick to show you guys all my trades today. I was long biased on MNQ, but for some reason, based off it was bouncing off the uptrend. The 15-minute looked good. I was long biased, but for some reason I tried to take trendline crack shorts on the 1,000 tick chart. Got stopped out. And the stop losses were so tight, and they just didn't really make sense, to be honest. So that was that. That set off the morning. Oops, sorry. That set off the morning kind of weird. So then I was like, all right, well, let me go back to this really quick. that set off the morning weird, and by 9:35, 5 minutes into market open, I was down $640. And you may say, wait, didn't you have guys, um, right here, at market open, I was down $250. And I said to myself, I said, wait, I can't start off the day down. So I know it's not good. But I actually took my max loss limit off, and I said I can't go into the day red. Like, I gave back my profits yesterday. It's getting close to my rebuild date. I'm not gonna be able to trade tomorrow because of Christmas. New Year's is coming up. There's gonna not be a lot of full weeks. So I did. I took it off, and I shouldn't have done that because that's bad habits, and I don't want anybody to think like, oh, he did it, so I could do it too. This was I got very lucky here, but I want to just go over exactly what happened. Took that off. I actually didn't even set a higher limit. I just took it off completely. Got down to 360. Got down even more. Finally got to the point where I entered. All right, so I'll just show you guys really quick. I entered. All right, so at this point, I said, what the hell? I took like 4 trades before even like 9:40. I was like, I think that I need to stop using this 1,000 tick chart because it was driving me nuts. That's I showed you guys that before. So I switched to the 2-minute, and I actually took a trade based off of the 15-minute chart, and that's something I want to just go over. I am going to try to stop looking at small time frames because I realize it gives me FOMO. And when there could not even be, there's a possibility there's no move even happening, like on the 2-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. But it looks like something's happening on the 1,000 tick chart. Meanwhile, it's just like a tiny pullback on like the 5-minute. So I realized that, and I said, all right, guys, now I should have locked out way long ago. But I entered a trade, and I'll bring this back really quick. This was today. I entered a trade right here off this uptrend, and based off the 15-minute, there was this bottom wick. I said, this looks pretty good. We're above VWAP. We have bottom wick, and we're holding above this, resistance now. Took the stab. I put my stop loss right below this candle, low. Actually, I'm sorry, wait. Yeah, right below here. It was a pretty wide stop initially. I think I was in 5 contracts or so, and then I ended up, actually, I know it's not good, guys, but I ended up averaging in more contracts here, and I believe I was 10 contracts long right here with a stop below, and I just was like, all right, right here, $200 stop, right? And luckily, that could have turned really bad. I think, if that trade didn't work, I think I got down to 640 on the day. If that trade didn't work out, that would have been a bad day. But we ended up, the long worked out, we closed out here, and we somehow battled back from, being down $400 to $600 on the day. Sorry, I'm just letting my dog out. Go, bud. All right. But yeah, that was pretty much the trade for the day, guys. Not happy with my trading today, but I just wanted to go over that and show why I got, or how I even got 1,000 on the day. Was not proper trading at all. I need you guys to roast me, tell me that this was shit, like, because I don't want to just become like, make this habits out of this, But I want to just go over and show what I did wrong and what I did to make that money today. Dog's coming in again. Yeah, but I just feel like I need to, when I do make mistakes, I need to make videos. And, obviously, if I could help anybody out there to prevent them from making the same mistakes that I'm doing, great. But it actually helps me to not do it because it's embarrassing, guys. I don't want to be making videos out here saying like, oh, yeah, I'm like trading horribly. And I want to be, showing good habits and good rules. And that being said, guys, I want to put good energy out there. Luckily, we're still in the fight, and we are a little less than $700 away from passing, which is really exciting. I need to completely just like stay to the rules. We got Christmas off. That's tomorrow. So I want to send good energy to everybody. I want everybody to have an amazing Christmas. Don't make the same mistakes that I did, because realistically, it's not like feasible to make these mistakes. It's just not sustainable. I might have gotten lucky this time, but it's, it would be a different story if the trade didn't work out. I don't know where this account would be. So I'm putting this out there for you guys to learn from my mistakes. All right. And yeah, guys, let's have a great rest of the year. I don't think we're having any more full weeks until, next year. So let's try to trade smart, trade safe, and yeah, let's just make it a great day, make it a great rest of the year, and let's start off this next year right. All right. With that being said, tomorrow is Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. I am probably going to be making maybe a video come this weekend. So I hope everybody has an awesome Christmas, spends time with some family, and eat some good food. That being said, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.